This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. You are going to love this open one-story home designed with you in mind. This floor plan has it all, starting with a very large 4-bed, 3-bath, covered lanai, 2-car garage with an open floor plan on both floors offering 2,207 square feet of living space. From the front door, making your way through the entry foyer to a living area with open space for your dining/kitchen/great room that has large Bayview windows capturing natural light and 14-feet vaulted ceilings. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space including the quartz waterfall center island for additional seating. The kitchen offers quartz counters, convection oven with stainless steel range hood, built-in microwave and beautiful tiled backsplash. There is a lot of storage in this home, starting with a walk-in kitchen pantry, pocket office space and closets. The primary suite offers a super huge walk-in closet, a spa-like owner's bath with room to roam and featuring a stand-alone garden tub, double vanities with black pearl granite counters and step-in tiled shower. That's not all. The guest bedrooms are nice size and don't forget the other features include 8 tall interior doors, a tray ceiling in the primary bedroom, trendy fixtures and decor that you may not see in spec homes. ABALONE at Bayview offers residents amenities that include a pool and clubhouse and playground and is one of the newest communities in Manatee County. Schedule a tour today before it's gone. For more information, review the details.